It's time for today's Swap Shop.
We have a caller waiting, and good afternoon, you on Swap Shop.
Good afternoon. How are you today?
Doing well, thank you. And you?
Excuse me, I got hiccups.
That's all right. Now, okay, well, just take your time.
I'm selling a lawnmower. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
It's a tar lawnmower. If anybody out there has a solution for getting rid of hiccups, I would appreciate it.
Well, try this. I don't know if this will work or not, but hold your breath and drink 10 swallows of water.
Ethel, get me some water. All right, Fred.
All right.
Hold on.
All right.
Ethel, hold my nose and put the water in my mouth.
What's your phone number? Give the phone to Ethel and let her give it to me.
She's in a wheelchair. She can't get over
right.
it. You dumbass got water all over my pants. I didn't do it on purpose. Yes, you did. What's wrong with you? I'm trying to get ready.
All right. We'll just move on to the next call here, and we'll maybe catch up with those folks in different time. Good afternoon. You're on Swap Shop.
Yeah, hi. I wanted to thank you for helping that gentleman with the hiccups there. That was my husband.
Okay.
He still has them, though.
Okay, well, that must not have worked.
Well, could you do me a favor? He's over listening next to the radio. Could you try to scare him?
No, I can't do that.
Why not? Just go boo or something.
Boo. There he goes. I heard him.
Oh, you just scared the crap out of Fred.
Okay, thank you.
Well, his hiccups are gone, but he pooped everywhere.
Ethel, there's poop all over your wheelchair.
Okay, all right.
Oh, my wheelchair's stuck in.
Right.
Stop rolling your wheelchair. You got...
Hey. Okay, we apologize, and it doesn't look like we're going to be able to do Swap Shop for the rest of the day, so we're going to have to, we're going to listen to some music.